20.25%. Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Hek has stated that it would be a big challenge for the state government to relocate the cattle market in Byrnihat and Khanapara. The High Court of Meghalaya earlier had asked the state government to look into the relocation of livestock markets from borders in the state after hearing a petition on non-adherence to a particular norm in Rule 8 of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, Regulation of Livestock Markets Rules 2017. Meanwhile, Hek also said that it is the collective job of the Customs, Police and BSF to ensure that cattle smuggling does not take place along the Indo-Bangla border in Meghalaya.
The international border and 25 kilometers from the inter-state borders. So that is, because it's a small state, if you talk about 50 kilometers, it becomes half of the state. You have to see also the viability of the market also, no? Handling of the cattle outside the country. It is the custom is there in duty, the police is there in the duty, even the border security force also they are in the duty. This is a job, collective job of all concerned to ensure that there should not be illegal smuggling outside the country.
An accused